baby, baby. This right here, this hair, I'm officially that bitch. Period. 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 Alright guys, so these are the two products I use to wash my hair with. Look, the first thing that you're gonna need is, of course, you're gonna need the Passion Twist. Of course, you're gonna need your hair, your Passion Twist hair. So the one that I got is by Freetress. This is the Water Wave. I got the 22 inches. I got about 6 packs of these. Each of them was like $6, so it was really inexpensive. I got some Shine Jam conditioning gel. So you need this to lay down the root of your hair. So I got this. The next thing that you're gonna need is some edge control. So the one that I got is by Edge Booster. This is the watermelon scented one, and it smells so good too. So I got this. So these two together, amazing. And I'm not sure if I'm gonna use this too, but I got some Eco Gel too, just in case. And you're also going to need some rubber bands. So I got this from Beauty Supply Store also. It was $1. So some rubber bands, and you're gonna need a crochet needle. So this is a crochet needle that I got. It was only $1.50 at the not the dollar store, the Beauty Supply Store. So these two together, you need that also. And the last thing you're gonna need is a rat tail comb. So this is the one that I got. Alright, so I did most of this off camera. So basically, you're just parting the hair in boxes or whatever size you want it to be. So you part it, and I'm not a professional, so the parts don't gotta be neat. It doesn't have to be perfect, especially in the back. But what I do recommend is that once you get to the top, you better make sure that they at least look decent. So my hair is parted already, this section. So I'm gonna brush it out. Move this out the way. And then I go in with the Shine Jam. Take some on your finger. Take some on your finger. And then you basically want to do this down so everything is nice and slicked back. And plus you want to make sure that this style lasts long. Then go in with your rat tail comb, and you're gonna brush it out. You're gonna take a rubber band. Let me try to. I'm just gonna tie it around. And then you're just gonna squeeze it, well, to tighten it. That's basically it. So this is how it looks. I'm sure. So my parts, they're not perfect, but I'm gonna make it work. I'm gonna make it work. Okay. I'm so tired. Like, I started doing this hair at 4:30. Alexa, what time is it?
The time is 12:25 a.m.
It's 12:25 now. I'm tight. Like, let me just show you how I do this. How I did this real quick. It is take 2 strands. So this one strand, this another strand, and basically you want to cross them over and loop them together. So when you loop them together, they're gonna both be like this. Okay, so you want to make sure that they're not even. You want them to be one little bit longer and shorter than the other. So it's like this, and it's looped like this. Then basically just put this to the side. So I'm just gonna, so it has like a clasp. You can open it and then you can close it like that. So you're gonna open the, well, you're gonna close the clasp first. Close the clasp, and then you're gonna go needle underneath the rubber band. So you put it underneath the rubber band, and then as you can see, the clasp opened up. So you're gonna take the hair basically by the loop where you loop both of them together, put it inside the needle, and then you're gonna close it up, and then you're gonna pull it through the rubber band. So as you're gonna see, it's gonna loop right here. Take the rubber band out, and you're basically just pulling out one side. So just one side. And then once they're both through, this is how they look. So as you see, you can slide it. So again, like I said before, you want to make sure that they're not on the same level. So just basically just make one a little bit shorter than the other. Then this is what I do. So this is my hair. So I split my hair in 2, and then I just tighten it. And then since this is a protective style, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take some of my Cantu Shea Butter Leave-In Conditioning Cream. So I take some of this and I run this along my real hair. So you can use any moisturizer. I just using this Cantu Leave-In Conditioner. So put this on my hair. Then what I like to do is you can take your edge control. So you can use your edge booster, Shine Jam, whatever you want to use, but I'm using the edge booster right now. And I'm just gonna pick some up, and basically you're gonna run it along your real hair. So put this along your real hair, just because your hair is not gonna be as lustrous and shiny as the passion twist hair. So you just want to make sure that it blends evenly, and plus you want to make sure it's nice and coated. So when it gets stiff like this, that's how you know it's ready. So while that's there, this is the passion twist hair. So you want to open it up to give it a little bit more volume, just like this. Make sure you pull lightly, because I made the mistake where if you go like too rough with it, it tangles, and we don't want that. So okay. So now what you're gonna do, I usually like to tighten this one more time, my real hair. So you're gonna split your real hair into 2 pieces, and then grab one piece of the passion twist and another piece of the passion twist, tighten it one more time, and then you're gonna begin twisting. Also, you're gonna be grabbing edge control at the same time. So with this hair, the Freetress water weave hair, it's better to twist to the left. So grab some edge control and just start twisting your hair and the passion twist hair to the left. So you just keep on twisting, grab some edge control, keep twisting, and usually like about every 7th or 8th twist, I just like to tighten it a little bit. So now that it's past the point of my real hair, what I do is I like to go in with the Egos gel, and I started using that and running it down the hair. So this took a long time. So overall, I ordered 5 packets of hair. Right now I'm on my 5th packet, and overall it's less than $40. Matter of fact, it was like about $40. So it was definitely affordable. If I was to go to like a professional to get this done, it'll probably be like $120. So did I save money? Yes, but I also spent a lot of time doing this. Baby. Like, this shit crazy. All right, so when I get to the ends of the hair, you want to get a little bit more of the Eco Gel and just twirl the ends with it. And the end's gonna be like this, like a little curl. And then you let it go. You let it go, and then this is how it's gonna look. So now we're just doing the next piece. So you want to grab both pieces of hair and loop them together again. Take the crochet needle and put it right underneath the rubber band. Then take the hair, put it on the crochet needle. Close the clasp and pull it through. And remember, you only want to pull one side through. Now basically just tighten my hair, and now I'm going to add my leave-in conditioner. Now that that's done, go in with your edge control and make sure you coat your actual hair. Tighten it one more time. Now separate the passion twist hair just to create more volume. Now you're going to separate your real hair into 2 and the passion twist hair, and then you're going to start twisting. So grab some edge control, apply it to the hair, and begin twisting your hair to the left. And as I'm twisting, I'm just grabbing some edge control. So that's that. And then once you get to the end, take some Eco Gel, and then you just twirl the ends. Then you let it go. So that's how it looks. Let me show you guys. Alright, so I just finished everything right now. Again, I started at like 4:30. Alexa, what time is it?
The time is 1:19 a.m.
And now it's 1:19 a.m. So now that I'm finished twisting everything, what I'm gonna do is take this Lotta Body foaming mousse, like this. This is basically the final look right here. So this is what my part looks like. And I added some jewels to it. This is the next day, by the way. Added jewels to it. And it is definitely long. It's 22 inches. And I like it. I think it's cute. So this is definitely beginner friendly, because this was definitely my first time even trying anything like this. So it's definitely beginner friendly. baby this right here, this hair, I'm officially that bitch. Period. Oh yeah, and also let me give you guys the update. So this is like day 4, and I like the twist. It's easy. I just wake up and I go. I wrap my hair every night. But it just, these twists, they tangle. Well, they don't really tangle that much to each other, but they just get caught on things. Like if you have a watch, or like if you have big earrings on. Like right now I have these studs on. But if you wear hoops, they're gonna get tangled on hoops. So now this is on, it's like more refreshed, more, you know, the frizz is controlled more. I'll give you guys a close-up. So I feel like it looks way better like this. Alright guys, so this is just so you guys can get another angle. This is what it looks like. I'm outside right now. It's cold, but so if you guys try this, make sure you guys tag me on Instagram. I will have that link below also. And stay tuned for the next video. Like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, and also comment down below and let me know any other hairstyles you guys want me to try, or videos you guys want me to do. If you guys want a Q&A, a mukbang, some pranks, some challenges, some beauty videos, some makeup tutorials, hair tutorials, whatever you guys want, let me know.